Alright, let's start by seeing how much fluid we did get out in our failed pan drop. Still even looks kind of red, this fluid. So it must have been changed since 2003, surely. Lose the funnel, eh? It's too hard. So it looks pretty red in there, so that's reasonable condition. Oh. It's about 1.5 litres so far. That's not bad. I think when you take the pan off, you only get 3 litres out, so that's alright. Right, we'll see if we can get some more. Come with me. Right, so the car's back down on the ground because the dipstick tube's at the front of the oil pan, so if we have it tilted at the front, we'll get all the oil out. We're going to take the dipstick out. Dippy McSticky. Somewhere. And we're going to use our magic pump. Give it a good sucking. Right, that's all we're going to get out of there. Let's measure it up. Right, so that's from our unsuccessful pan drop. Here's from a few minutes of good sucking. Let's add them together. So pretty much bang on 3 litres. Given, well, plus we spilt the load on the floor, so probably about 15 litres. It's still actually pretty red. Don't know if the camera picks up the shade, but that looks pretty red to me. So 3 litres, which is kind of what you get out if you completely take the pan out anyway. So that's going to do for now. Next time hopefully we can get the filter out as well. Let's go put some new fluid in. Alright, so we'll grab our funnel, stick it in the dipstick tube. Make sure your funnel's super clean. Let's clean out with brake clean. We've got a Liquimatic whatsy red stuff. We're gonna go it on there. So 3 litres. Boing. That's 2 litres. Two and a half litres. 2 3/4 litres. Almost 3 litres. So almost 3 litres. Right, we'll go with that for the moment. Put a lid on that before we knock it over and spill it. Carefully with drawers so you don't make a mess. Right, here's our dipstick. Dextron it says on it. Look, Dextron. There's no warm or cold marks, just some marks. So let's pop that back in for now. I'll probably have to warm it up and then we'll check the level. Just at the top of the at the top mark, perfect. Right, there we go. So it didn't quite go to plan, didn't manage to get the pan off or the filter off, so sort the old filter in there, not the end of the world. Got 3 litres of nice fresh transmission fluid in there. The fluid that came out doesn't look too bad. We changed the diff oil, which is guaranteed, that's never been done. And we had no issues before, so hopefully we've got no issues now. Just keeping on top of the maintenance. One day we might manage to get that pan off and swap the filter out, would be nice, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. We've got fresh fluid throughout. Still waiting on the new coolant hose. Still probably a few days away from Germany. Said 3 weeks, we're almost 3 weeks now. You probably saw there's one of those Gates Universal bendy hoses with a coil spring in the middle. Yeah, it doesn't work. It can't quite make the bend and it keeps leaking. So I haven't driven this car for a few weeks, is why the battery was flat. But yeah, that's how to do a pretty average job of changing the transmission fluid on an Audi A80 B4 2.3 with the 4-speed electronic transmission. Still prefer the 3-speed. The pan comes off nice and easy, and it just works fine. So there we go. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for whatever's happening next. Cheers.